What's going on out there? I apologize about that. I cut it short in one of my joints. But there we go. Lasagna, baby. I'm telling you. I blow my mind with this lasagna stuff. This is what's up. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to wash dishes. You know what I'm saying? You know, I didn't want to wash dishes or anything like that. You feel me? My joint. You heard? This is my joint right here. You heard? And this is my food. And check out the stove. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Get in there, y'all. Get in there, y'all. See? You can't cook. You can't cook on the stove if it's dirty. You feel me? It's a clean stove. You feel me what I'm saying? I got my literature right there. My little literature I got. Okay, y'all know what that is. Yep. You gotta know how to eat. You gotta know how to eat. You know what I'm saying? Good water, you heard? NutriBullet. It's right up there in the cabinet. Close that out. You see what I'm talking about? Now, this is a great meal. I'm gonna take a bite here. Now that's a lasagna. Only one last piece left. Anybody out there want it? Hit me up in your comments. Let me know if you want some lasagna. You see how nice that is? Look at that. Ooh. Sauce is right. Everything's right. Look at that. Yeah, man. Well, with that note, I hope I see you in my next food show. Tune in. Maybe I'll do it live one day. All right? Look out on the live. You heard? All right. Mad love with you. One. And the stuff we going through, just go with Jah. Go with high power. You know that our Creator will control this whole situation if we all work together and pray. With that note, stay strong and stay reverent. My peoples, peace. Not in the Middle East.